Medical debt on your credit report? You're not alone. Nearly 15 million Americans are dealing with this right now. But recent law changes mean you have more power than you think. Here's what most people don't know. About 20 million Americans owe money for medical debt. The median amount? $1,465. That's not a typo. Most medical debt in collections is less than $1,500. In April 2023, something huge happened. The three major credit bureaus removed medical debt under $500 from credit reports. 70% of all medical collection debt just disappeared. 23 million people saw medical collections removed from their reports overnight. The impact? People saw their credit scores jump an average of 25 points when their last medical collection was removed. Some saw increases of 32 points or more. That's the difference between loan denial and approval. As of 2024, here's what you need to know. Medical debt under $500 doesn't appear on your credit report at all. Paid medical debt also removed. And you now get a full year grace period before unpaid medical debt shows up from 6 months. In January 2025, the CFPB finalized a massive rule, removing $49 billion in medical bills from 15 million Americans' credit reports. The rule bans lenders from even considering medical debt when making credit decisions. This is the biggest change in decades. Why does this matter? The CFPB estimates this rule will approve 22,000 additional mortgages every year. 22,000 families who can now buy homes. Plus, it stops debt collectors from using your credit report as a weapon to force payment. Important warning, trade associations have sued to block this rule. Federal courts have temporarily reversed some protections. The rule's implementation date is uncertain. But even if delayed, the under $500 removal is still in effect. Here's what to do right now. Go to annualcreditreport.com. That's the only official free site. Check all three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for any medical collections under $500 or any paid medical debt. These should already be gone. If you still see medical debt under $500 or paid medical debt on your report, dispute it immediately. File disputes with all three bureaus online. They have 30 days to investigate. 80% of disputes result in some change to your credit report. Most medical debt disputes are resolved in your favor. When you dispute, document everything. Save screenshots of your credit report showing the error. Save payment receipts if the debt was paid. Save the dispute confirmation emails. If the bureau doesn't fix it in 30 days, file a complaint with the CFPB. What if your medical debt is over $500? It can still appear on your report, but you still have options. First, verify the debt is actually yours. 30% of medical bills contain errors. Second, negotiate a payment plan and get written agreement it'll be deleted after payment. Pay for delete is powerful but tricky. Get it in writing before you pay a single dollar. The agreement should state the collector will request deletion from all three credit bureaus within 30 days of payment. If they refuse to put it in writing, don't pay. That's your leverage. Bottom line, check your credit report today. Dispute any medical debt under $500 or any paid medical debt. Document everything. And remember, the new CFPB rule could remove billions more. But legal challenges mean you need to take action now. Your credit score could jump 25 points or more just by removing errors. Disclaimer, this is educational only, not legal or financial advice. Laws vary by state. Always consult professionals for your situation.